Alright, today we're going to be shooting each other with airsoft guns.
This is a gas blowback Desert Eagle. So, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna leave welt. So,
show them the clip. Make sure we're not lying.
Big freaking clip. This is the clip. It's huge. It hurts. Put the clip in.
Clip's in.
Okay, now Trenton. Trenton right here. I'm going to shoot Trenton.
Oh no!
He's gonna get a welt.
So, it's gonna hurt like shit. Alright, so I'm going. No, I'm just gonna set it right here. Right here.
Alright. And just to let you know, the clip is still in this weapon. Here, I'll show you the clip. The clip is still here. There's BBs in it. And Trenton waiting. And he's waiting, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, dude, that's got a... I like a little backing, might help your business along the way, too. You would appreciate it, you would appreciate it. You'll be making some good networking. Let's see if we can show them art. I think it's just camera. I'll pick it up, though. Come on, you got too long hair. See that red mark? Yeah. Right here.
Oh.
Right there. And right there. Those are hits.
Oh. See that? See the camera. No, it's my turn to shoot you.
Okay. Ready? Oh! What's wrong with it? Dude, that's a fight. Oh, my back. It's gonna work. Damn it. Freaking bitch. Can you see on Mars?
Oh, damn! Right there! Oh, that's from earlier. There's 2 of them.
Ah. Yeah.
Damn.
And that is our being idiocracy.
I'll shoot myself in the tail.
I dare you to. Dude, that's in between the toes, you piss.
Oh! Oh, that hurt my toe. That got my nail.
Okay.
It's all red. It's all red.
It's all red.
Ah. Oh, yeah. Show them where I got bit by the leech. This is where I got bit by the leech.
Just random information. This is where I got bit by a leech. Okay. Now we're ending the show. We're gonna be putting this on YouTube, so.
No shit. Why would we make a video?
And our series is gonna be called Trenton and John the Dummies, and they're gonna be C. Yeah. Okay.
Well,
so look us up. Look us up. So this is Trent.
And that's John. The gay queer.